Shares, stock, and stock market. You must have heard about these terms. And if you are wondering what does it all mean, then you are at the right place. In this video, let me tell you all about shares, stock, and stock market. In the financial market, both the term shares and stocks are often used for the same thing. The capital of a company is divided into small units in the form of shares, and each shares represent a unit of equity ownership in a company or corporation, and a person who holds such shares are called shareholders. Shareholders are entitled to any profit that the company may earn in the form of dividends. They are also the ones who suffer any losses that the company may face. In simple words, if you are a shareholder of a company, you hold a percentage of ownership of that issuing company in proportion to the shares you have bought. Let's explain this with an example. Imagine a farmer bought a piece of farmland for 1 lakh rupees, and after his death, his sons Arjun, Ram, Shiv, and Kunal became owner of the land. Now each one owns 25% of that land, which means the land has 4 units and its individual owners. Let's consider this farmland as a company and each unit as a share. Since Arjun and his brothers owns such unit, they are its shareholder. From the example, we can see that the farmland or company has 4 units or 4 shares owned by different individuals named Arjun, Ram, Shiv, and Kunal, and each unit valued at 25,000 each, and whatever profit or loss that can be derived from this land, it will be divided between its shareholders or owners equally. I hope this cleared the concept of shares and stocks a little. Shares and stocks can be further divided into different categories, but that's for later. Now let's see what does a stock market or stock exchange means. Both the term stock market and stock exchange are often used for the same thing. Stock market or stock exchange is a virtual marketplace where shares of a publicly traded companies are bought and sold. Such financial activities are conducted through formal exchanges that operate under a defined set of regulations. An exchange is a secure place where trading is done in a systematic way. Here, the securities are bought and sold as per well-structured rules and regulations. Traders in the stock market buy or sell shares on one or more of the stock exchanges that are part of the overall stock market. There are 23 stock exchanges in India. Among them, 2 are national level stock exchanges, namely Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE) and National Stock Exchange (NSE). The rest 21 are regional stock exchanges. Let's see with an example. Remember the farmer and his 4 sons Arjun, Ram, Shiv, and Kunal, who owns 25% each of 1 lakh rupees farmland. Now imagine there are thousands of such farmers with their sons at different parts of the country who owns land, and they all want to buy and sell part of their land. But it will be difficult to find people to sell land and buy land from at right place, at right price and right time. So they all agree to sell and buy land through a company which helps them to keep all the records, which operates under certain rules. They all sell and buy land with the help of such company, but only if they agree to make their land public, which means anyone can buy or sell their land who operates through the company. And if all the farmers comes into agreement and sell and buy a part of their land through a company, this company will act as an exchange. And all this process of buying and selling through this company will be like a stock exchange, where part or unit of land will act as share. Unit owners will be shareholders and whichever farmers have agreed to sell their land through company which will be considered as an exchange and will be a publicly traded company. In this way, anyone can buy and sell land at different parts of the country without traveling, without taking any unnecessary risk, with the help of this company which will act as an exchange. I hope this gives you an idea of what is a stock exchange or stock market.